Circular beauty, a new movement in cosmetics. In today's webinar, we will talk about a new movement within cosmetics, circular beauty. But to understand it, we must first delve into our current economic model and the need to convert it into a circular economic model. The traditional economic model is a linear model, which is based on the extraction of raw materials to manufacture products, produce and then dispose of, without taking into account the environmental footprint and its consequences. Due to this model, each Spaniard generates an average of 460 kilos of urban waste per year. Given this, we can confirm that it is a not sustainable model. How can we achieve a sustainable economic model? Well, applying circular economy. The circular economy is based on the 7 R's: recycle, redesign, reduce, reuse, repair, renew, and recover. Thanks to this economic model, we give new life to waste, extend its lifespan, and consume less energy in manufacturing processes. We can find this model applied in all kinds of sectors and products, such as Nike, for example, shoes made from plastic bottles, or beers made with leftover bread by the startup Toast Alley, which managed to replace almost a third of barley milkshake they need to make the beer, thereby reducing their production costs. How is the circular economy applied in the cosmetic sector? Could we say that circular beauty is the new sustainable cosmetics? Well, considering that the cosmetic sector is one of the most polluting, producing 120 billion plastic containers a year, we can confirm that circular beauty is a necessity and not just a trend. Plastic waste is not the only one generated by the sector. The entire manufacturing process of a product can be harmful to the environment if the necessary measures are not taken. Among the actions that circular beauty can carry out is the use of refill containers, ingredients that come from upcycling, waste collection programs, and the creation of zero-waste cosmetics, generally solid, which allows not to use water or packaging on the products. Let's see some of the examples. Emma Levisham. Emma Levisham brand has managed to implement a 100% circular production model, largely thanks to the use of refill packaging, which reduces carbon emissions by up to 74% when compared to the production of single-use packaging. Although recycling is a part of the circular model, they believe that reuse should always come first, as it requires less energy and uses fewer resources. The second example is Upcycling. In Spain, 1.3 million tons of foods are thrown away each year for not meeting the aesthetic standards of the food sector. This waste presents a great opportunity for the cosmetic sector, obtaining active ingredients that can bring great benefits for the skin. Upcycling uses upcycling foods such as coffee, fruit pits, and chai seeds to create its cosmetic products. As for the packaging, they are 99% plastic-free and offer refill option for the remaining 1%. And the last example is Super Zero. Super Zero is a solid shampoo brand that uses cranberry seed oil from upcycling, creates formulas without water, and contains no plastic in its packaging. In addition, their wrappers are compostable. And we came through our proposal of our company, Atanor, is Equaterra. Equaterra is a new system for skin balance. It regenerates the skin at molecular and cellular level, rebuilds the tissues through the transmission of nutritional elements, and has a purifying action through the activation of antioxidant enzymes. Holistically, the whole chemical set of an entire plant has various benefits for the skin. Equaterra blend is made up of the following chemical families: fatty acids, flavonoids, amino acids, carotenoids, organo-oxygenated and organo-nitrogenated compounds, cinnamic acids, indoles, and organosulfur compounds. With these 9 families that we found within the Equaterra blend by metabolomic study that we did on the product, we can highlight the following chemical compounds that are important for cosmetic industry, like a cosmetic claims. For example, azelaic acid, well known like anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, luteolin, linoleic acid, well known like a skin barrier and hydration ingredient, rutin, isoquercetin, camphorol, well known like an antioxidant and cytoprotective ingredient, and a lot of more: asperidin, caphteric acid, fumaric acid, G-trehalose, tryptophan, sulforaphan, which we found in broccoli, well known like an anti-age, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory. Equaterra is a mixture of 4 green plants chosen after an exhaustive study of their secondary metabolites due to their high content of chlorophyll, capable of generating a large number of these metabolites that provide dermal detoxification and recovery of the active ingredients necessary for the balance of the skin. It's a mixture of broccoli, spinach, pak choi, and kale. Each of the plants is dehydrated and pulverized. Comes from upcycling and Mediterranean cultivation. Equaterra is a product from our latest innovative cosmetic line. We have designed Equaterra Skin Balance System, which is a holistic, active skin balancing management, proven with metabolomic study that we did on our product. We will present Equaterra in the innovation zone within the biggest innovation of raw material for the cosmetic industry this year in Cosmetics Global in Paris in April. At Atanor, we are 100% committed to upcycled and sustainable cosmetics. Our products are 100% natural and local, with controlled traceability. They are fresh byproducts converted into a cosmetic ingredient with added value.